Sky. She's born deaf. And when it's time to go for a walk, she doesn't understand. This is how we tell her. We just thought the world should see this.
I think he smells it. Take her. Take her. He smells it. Is that it? Is that what I think it is? It is. Come on.
Down.
Making my way back home, been a long day, time to see my fluffy dog.
Biggie.
What? 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 I swear to God. Oh my God, don't do it again. Don't.
It all started when my mom met my dad, and they fell in love, and they had me. Hi, I'm Ryan, and my life, it's kind of crazy. So apparently the people on TikTok like this. You walk in, and boom, puppy. And now, we're TikTok famous.
Mikey, what are you doing? Nothing? I don't think it's nothing. I think you're trying to get into the cat drawer.
What was that? Did mommy blow raspberries on your belly? Tina? Tina? Do you like them? Do you? You want me to do them again? Tina, do it again. Tina? Do you like them? You crazy.
You're my honey bun, sugar plum, pumpy umby umpkin. You're my sweetie pie. You're my cupcake gum.
I want to take him home. Baby, can we get him? Please? Slagi da koy.
You are thicker than a snicker, heavy like a Chevy. Come here, little mama, let me rub up on the belly. Hey, hey, let me rub up on the belly. Come on, little. Baby,
No puedo.
Watch her when I don't put your hand in my bathwater. Watch her when I scoop the bubbles up.
Good morning, Pebbles. Hi. Good morning. Hi. You want to cuddle? Hi, good morning.
Thank you. I love you too. Oh my gosh.
Okay, give me love.
Can Kyla leave?
Kyla's got to go off to college today, buddy. You got to get off of her.
Kyla's got to go bye-bye.
She's got to leave. Are you sad? You got to get up. She's got to leave. Simba, she's got to leave.
Who is the goofiest? Who shouts the most? Who is the craziest? Who is the most handsome?
Excuse me. What are you doing? Oh no.
Here's a story. Get over here and listen. Are you listening? Today we're gonna go to the beach. We're gonna get a little bit of chicken. Hey, hold on. Hold on. Hold on.
Are you a lesbian? Aw, I'm so proud of you.
Luna, stop. Luna, stop it. Alright.
I love you. So, Crackhead Kitty has a baby. She brought us her baby.
You want to eat? No, it's not time. You just ate.
How are you still asleep, little boy? Oh my gosh. Oh, good morning. Good morning. Hi. Hey. Hey. Can all the kitties in the club say meow? You're gonna be fine. You're gonna be tip-top shape and tapping toes and fly. You're gonna act awesome and self-assured. We're gonna seem contemplative, nonchalant, and bored.
Come on. Come on. Come on. Come on. Stop. Let's go. Bongo. Hey. Hey. Roscoe.
Stay. Leave it. You wait. Wait.
She's dreaming.
Making my way back home, been a long day. Time to see my fluffy dog. I
love you. I love you.
That was a good
I
one.
love you.
And I can put it in a bun. And I can put it in a bun. I got my eggs back.
Rolling, 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 got me stargazing. Okay, okay. It's lit! Yeah!
I'm sure we could all use a pick-me-up as quarantine gets longer and longer. So let's say hi to some cats. Hi, Tracker. Hi, Zane. Oh. Good morning, Tundra. Hi, Pichu. Hi. Good morning, Archer. Hi, River. Hi, Grumpy Con. Good morning, Juba. Good morning, Turk. Where you going? What you doing? Good morning, Raina.
You get a lift? Awesome. I am. It'll be awesome. Yes! Please tell me you're getting that. Yes! That is awesome! Oh my gosh. Good boy!
Are you in the jacuzzi? Are you in the jacuzzi all by yourself? Bo's enjoying the jacuzzi. He's loving it.
What's wrong with my fox? Get a fox, they said. It'd be really fun, they said. What are you doing? You silly boy. I love you, Lance. Jesus. Stroller.
It all started when my mom met my dad, and they fell in love, and they had me. Hi, I'm Ryan, and my life, it's kind of crazy.
Milo, we need to have a serious discussion. Okay, you don't have to look at me, but you're stinky and you're getting a bath today.
Oh my god, what? That's a whole cat. Am I gonna be on TikTok?
Rebecca, you are the prettiest girl in Brooklyn. Thank you, Sir Jeffers. Will you accompany me to the mysterious wedding today? No. But, Rebecca, I love you. I love you.
You okay, boy?
What? Dinky! Hey, Dinky. Dinky, that's not gonna fit.
When little Russian lady crawl into your lap, she tucks her noodle sticks into her potato. She get very small, actually. Then Nora punched me in the face.
Wakey, 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 it's time for school. Come on. Wake up, it's time for school. Come on, man. Are you ready for school?
Stay out of the get out of the Christmas tree! Out of it, you're not a squirrel! I swear to God, get out of your stocking, it's not Christmas yet! How many times do I have to tell you, stop eating the Christmas cookies? No! Not before Christmas!